for the one time.
You already know how we going in this shit. Caught up by the fella, I ain't think this shit was fair. Don't sell by the pen, I make it so while you work for the fella. Don't shop, you shop by the 8. Don't sell by the 8. Find little shawty as bait. Fuck with me, I don't date. Glock with me, never late. Ain't worried about you, shoot headlocks. Fast life, don't stop at the red light.
I told her, bitch, hold her leg go. She tryna play me like a Joe. I ain't going for that bitch. Yeah, I ain't going.
What's good, gang? You know what I'm saying? It's the first time I've been able to do a vlog in a minute, man. And it's daytime outside, man. Today gonna be a pretty lit vlog, man. Planning on going to the little meet later, man. I don't know if I'm gonna go or not, but I planned on it. So if y'all see the next, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know I went. But anyway, I want to apologize because my AC on, man. It is hot outside. It is 90 degrees. So I got my AC on blasting right now, you feel me? So yeah, man, y'all just sit back, man, and enjoy that whole goddamn vlog, man. I hope y'all enjoy it. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you share it to some of your friends, man, that may be interested in seeing some lit vlogs, man. Cause you know what I'm saying? We coming harder, man. We coming way harder, man. I'm trying to tell y'all, man, y'all boys better get right, man. And make sure you follow me on all social media platforms, on Instagram, Snapchat. That's the only thing I'm on. Yeah, it's the same as the YouTube, man. Same as the YouTube. SRT8 Pharaoh, spelled the same as that way on everything that I'm on. So yeah, man. Make sure y'all tune in. Make sure y'all tap in and follow all the IG, well, the IG and the Snapchat. Why I'm so excited, man, you know what I'm saying? I get my words twisted up, man, for real. But yeah, man, it feels so good to be back. I went and worked early today just so I can, you know what I'm saying, have a little fun on a Saturday. My day off, really, I wasn't supposed to go in. But I went in to make a little extra money, man. Ain't nothing wrong with making a little extra money, you feel me? So, make sure y'all got, man, you know what I'm saying, running that bag up, man, you know what I'm saying? Doing what y'all supposed to do, man. Staying out the way. That's the way to life, man, for real, for real. So yeah, man, I'm gonna stop talking right now because my vlogs really be too long when I edit it. So I'm gonna just goddamn try to cut it off every time I know I'm done talking about something. So I'll see y'all when I get to the little detail spot. Dude, finna wipe my car real quick, man. Everybody getting it right, y'all. Look, I ain't never seen a whoop that color, but that color right there would be hard, though. I ain't gonna lie. I'm just playing, though. That shit gonna be goddamn clean there for it, man. My boy get me right, man.
This beat for murder. Got 1,000 pounds for 1,000 bottom bitch now.
Oh my god, that thing wet, man. Man, glad, boy.
Nightcrawler.
Boy, that boy went crazy, boy. Look at that damn detail, boy. No one finna cut up, boy. You done got me crushed up, boy. For real. Yeah, don't, boy. Shit, glad. Look at that shit, man. You see my fit and everything in that motherfucker. So gang, as y'all see, man, I got the car washed and all that, man. Look, the AC up high still, man. Turn down, I know it's gonna be loud. But look, man, I got the car washed. We clean right now. You West Penitentiary. What the world? Boy, what the world, boy? I ain't know they were right here, boy. Yeah, no. But yeah, man, we got the car wash. We headed to is that junk open? We headed to this car meet, man. I'm with them other SRT8s again, man. You know what I'm saying? We gotta pop out real quick. So we're gonna see how they turn out, man. See who all there. But yeah, I'm gonna get with y'all when I get there though, man. Alright, gang, we here, man. Lined up on the side of the road. Got the wide bodies out here in this bit. Hey, nigga came in that bit deep. They go another SRT right now. They came in that bit deep, boy. That G8 chopping. That boy brought the Challenger out, man. The coupe, man. The coupe SRT8, huh? Somebody. Hey, then he done got some work done too, huh? Ooh, that leg make a hard, man. And that SS sound good though. So goddamn, when you notice a big difference though? Yeah.
It was 100 degrees when they was dynoing it, so it was dyno a little low. It dynoed at 390.
Yeah.
And then they tuned and got everything together. Dyno after that, 440 to the top.
Damn.
Yeah,
Ooh, that twin for sure right there, man. Red guts and everything. Oh yeah. That hard. And man, I got that. That was the first hood car. Sersky. That boy Junior, man. That man Junior, man. Ooh. I don't know, Junior. Yeah, Sersky. Got them things out here, man. We even got the goddamn handles cord. We even got the kids in that bit. Dang, boy. Hey, man. Say, man. Hey, that's your twin right there, bro. Straight.
The one nigga Uno, he parked down that way. I told him move down here with us.
Yeah. Hey, they live 2 hours, bro. Damn, but that bit so hard, man. Hey, there go Drake. There you go, cuz. God. Yeah, that dope right there. And got the whole front swap on these folk, man. What the world? Yeah, that's straight right there. When you get that jump painted, my fault. You got that, what, painted, but? Damn. He way there. Oh, he got the camera too, bro. Shit, man. Glad I ain't part right though, bro. Damn.
Our shit loud enough, they know us at something. We can do without the bag.
Ain't it?
Every short nigga got a channel. This is straight so far.
He about to do something. I'm glad I moved out of cul-de-sac, man. I ain't never seen no Charger with that on the front though. That different.
Damn mask.
Yeah. I ain't seen no nigga do that before. That's scat. Gotta get him. Hit it! You need to let me get that RT. I got a motor for him. Damn. She would have went into that motherfucker, but it would have been over with, but. Got that boy, man. But that nigga dead got named Green Goblin.
Need my brodies right here, bro.
To my boy. We got down this barrel.
I need one of my damn self. I don't like hard, man. That's up. About to write some tags down. He's trying to write some tags down. He don't know how to move. He right off. Oh, them folks shut that down quick, man. Dude trying to get everybody tag, but you tweet that, but you ain't getting mine, my boy.